Hi everyone!
Hi everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。
What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? We are going to open a new toy. Yeah, what kind of toy is it?
Dinosaur toy.
It's a dinosaur toy. Can you turn it towards the camera? Turn. It's a dinosaur toy. Are we going to open it, Kento?
Yeah.
Be careful not to cut the dinosaur.
Okay.
Okay?
I cannot cut it.
You can't cut it? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah?
ここ切れない。
そういう時は Can you help me?
Can you help me?
手伝ってくれる Can you help me? Would you like me to help, Kento?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, hold on a second. I'll help you. Well, let's see if Kento knows the name of the dinosaurs. We'll test him later. You can take them all out. 全部外していいよ. You can take them all out.
これネジで取らないといけないんだよ。
Oh, we need special tools? なんか特別なもの必要なの? Let me see. I think we do need some special tool to open this. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, we're able to get all of them out of the box, right? So how many do we have, Kento?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, we have 6 dinosaurs. Which one is your favorite?
この全部
I'm going to say the dinosaur names in English. Can you tell me which one it is? First question, pterodactyl. Which one is pterodactyl? Yes. And then second question, which one is brachiosaurus? Yes, that is brachiosaurus. Okay, how about triceratops? Yes, that's triceratops. How about this one is hard, T-Rex, also known as Tyrannosaurus. Yeah, which one is Stegosaurus? Yes, that is Stegosaurus. Okay, and last question, can you show me Spinosaurus? Yeah, that's Spinosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Pteranodon.
This one
Is
is
pterodactyl. Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus.
This one is
This one is
Triceratops.
Triceratops. This one is
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. This one is
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. This one is
Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus.
Yay, good job, Kento. You're able to say all 6.
These my old dinosaurs.
So what Kento wants to say is, these are all my dinosaurs. I hope you enjoyed watching our little video.
Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye!
Okay, Kento, time to play.
Yay!